Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Nojana Vignesh, founder and artistic director of Sadvaruba School of Arts Trichy and the Vice President of Navati Trust Trichy. Celebrating Day 5 of Navaratri Sadhana 3.0 Amma World. On this Day 5 of Navaratri, we honor Shankari, who is the spouse of Shankar. I have come to you expecting that you will alleviate all my sufferings. And who else is there in the world to obliterate my sufferings? Golden Meru mountain is your abode. You saved many sages, which I heard that you are the savior of distressed and chant you praise. And Mukha is your devotee. So I approach you. Please see my plight and protect me. I have absolute faith in you. Is Akriti Shankar Neeve, composed by Subbaraya Sastri, is set in Ragam Hindolam and Talam Adi. Is performed by the students of Sadvaruba School of Arts Trichy. Students are Gomati, Mayurini, Ovia, Danshita, Medini.
Shankari Neeve, Shankari Neeve, Amba 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 Shankari Vaninu Nivaninu Santatamu Koriva Chiti Shankari Vaninu Santatamu Koriva Chiti Shankari Vaninu Santatamu Koriva Chiti Shankari Vaninu Santatamu Koriva Chiti Shankari Amba Sankatamudirichi brochuta kinkevaru naru Sankatamudirichi brochuta kinkevaru narilalo Sankatamudirichi brochuta kinkevaru narilalo Sankatamudirichi brochuta kinkevaru narilalo Sankatamudirichi brochuta kinkevaru narilalo Pankaja Sambhava Sarnuda Pankaja Sambhava Sarnuda Palinchu Kamachi Pankaja Sambhava Sarnuda Palinchu Kamachi Sa Sanida Panka Sagariga Ma Daba Ma Bagari Sari Sa Nida Panka Sagariga Ma Nida Bama Bagari Sasa Nida Pasa Nidi Sagariga Ma Bada Pasa Nidi Samadari Nida Bama Bagari Sanida Bama Magari Shankari Vani Ninu Santatamu Gori శంకరి కనకాద్రి సదన దీన ಜನರಕ್ಷಕಿಯನುಚು ಅವ ಕನಕಾದ್ರಿ ಸದನ ದೀನ ಜನರಕ್ಷಕಿಯನುಚು ಅವ ಕನಕಾದ್ರಿ ಸದನ ದೀನ ಜನರಕ್ಷಕಿಯನುಚು ಸನಕಾದಿ ಮುನುಲೆಲ್ಲ ಭಜನ ಜೇಯುಚುಂಡನು ಸನಕಾದಿ ಮುನುಲೆಲ್ಲ ಭಜನ ಜೇಯುಚುಂಡನು ಮುನಿ ಮೂಕುನಿ ಬ್ರೋಚಿನದೆಲ್ಲನು ಚಲ ವಿರಿವಚಿತೆ ಮುನಿ ಮೂಕುನಿ ಬ್ರೋಚಿನದೆಲ್ಲನು ಚಲ ವಿರಿವಚಿ ನಿನು ಮಗನು ನಿನು ನಮ್ಮಿನವಾಡನು ರಕ್ಷಿಂಪ ಶಂಕರಿ ವನಿ ನೀನು ಸಲ್ತತ ಮುಗೋರಿ ವಚಿತಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ನೀವೇ ಅಂಬ ಶಂಕರಿ ನೀವೇ ಅಂಬ ಶಂಕರಿ ನೀವೇ ಅಂಬ ಶಂಕರಿ ನೀವೇ